Good morning, y'all. We are having a new day here. Hey guys, so it is a beautiful day out here. We are on the US tour, and US tour 2017, and we are at Iowa City, right near Iowa City at the McBride National Park. We just arrived here, and they have had a blanket of snow last night. It's absolutely beautiful. The sun is up there, just over the lake. Hopefully curiosity does not kill the cat, but we're gonna go into the cave. Wow, this is beautiful. I just can't explain the feeling that I have right now. This is absolutely amazing. Look at this waterfall. Right here at Iowa. Right behind me, guys, we have the Des Moines River, I believe that is. I think I passed the sign for it earlier, and it goes out over there. Yeah, you know we gotta get the sign in here. We are at Dunning Springs Park in the northern part of Iowa, and I mean, just look at it. This is the waterfall. I mean, guys, this is the waterfall at Dunning Springs. We are, I believe this is Dakota, Iowa, and we're right here at the ice cave. We're about to go in. So we're gonna go and check out this ice cave, which starts right there. Cave actually stays cold all year. Looks like some other people can come. I see footsteps. Alright guys, so into this cave. Look at that. And it just keeps on flowing. Keeps on flowing. Wow. This is amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing.